Progressive Shorthand Magazine, May 2026, Exercise number 1, Start. The present government's decision to withdraw high-value currency notes from circulation was a bolt from the blue. Full stop. The time-consuming process to print new notes and replace scrapped ones, coupled with a cap on daily cash withdrawals, created panic among 24 crores bank account holders. Full stop. Most rushed and stood in queues before banks to exchange their old currency notes and get their daily quota of cash. Full stop. The Supreme Court being the panacea of all ills, several public interest litigations were filed challenging the validity of demonetization. Full stop. The SEC decided to focus on ameliorating the harassment faced by common people forced to stand in queues for hours by the government's decision to demonetize without warning. Full stop. On Friday, an SEC bench headed by the Chief Justice of India surprised many by its grim assessment of the possible fallout of people being forced to stand for hours in frustratingly long queues. Full stop. Next paragraph. There could be riots, it said, if a bench headed by CJI T.S. Thakur, who has 22 years of experience as a judge of constitutional courts, fears so. It could be true. Full stop. For judges have deep insight into the psychology of common people who throng the courts in search of justice. Full stop. Indians are used to standing in queues. Full stop. In our childhood, water used to trickle down the public tap for 2 hours every morning and evening. Full stop. Vessels of various shapes and sizes used to be kept in queue, the length of which was a spectacle for us. Full stop. There were fights. Full stop. But in small the towns of Odisha in the late 70s, we as children never saw a riot. Full stop. When we grew up a little, we stood in queues for hours for various purposes to get ration and kerosene from PDP shops, to pay electricity bills, to pay college fees, and to buy cinema tickets. Full stop. In Delhi, all these queues were still in existence. Full stop. In addition, we found people standing in long queues every time a kind person offered free food or festive occasions. Full stop. Poverty alongside Delhi's opulence was a surprise for many of us. Full stop. At Ames, people come from far-flung areas and queue up early morning to get OPD card made. Full stop. They wait till late afternoon to get access to a doctor who tirelessly examines patients patient after patient through the day. Full stop. This is the patience of the people in the capital. Full stop.